Have you ever wondered what it takes to get a commissioned painting? Or maybe there's a place you're looking for that you would like to see recreated as a work of art rather than just a photograph. The beauty of photographs is they capture things instantly. The beauty of art is it captures the emotion of the place. It's not just a recreation of what you're looking at. It's an artistic interpretation that makes a place come alive in a way that photography is good, but it doesn't quite capture that essence. So that's what I do. My name's Cathy Reed. I'm an artist. I'm based in Tinjwick near Buckingham in the United Kingdom. And this little video is really just to show you what goes into a commission painting. The picture you're going to see later on is one I did when I first moved into the studio about 2 years ago, but it's taken me a while to get around to this video. These things always do. And it was somebody, he'd found me on Oxford Art Weeks. I'd signed up for it. They send an email out, and he really liked the style and had been looking for a long time for a painting of Canary Wharf, and excuse me, and he wanted to see a particular view which he had been unable to find. And then he saw my work and thought, oh, that's the style I like. I'd like to see a painting like that, but of the place where he had a home. So this is the process I go through. Obviously, I can't show you all of it, but there is a bit beforehand where we had that phone call. And then there's a lot of toing and froing. So I go up and I explore the venue. This was, normally I just do one photo shoot, but for this one I did two. So first one I went to Rotherhithe, which is more or less opposite the classic view of Canary Wharf across the River Thames, with the towers reflecting in the river itself. That one, partly because I hadn't captured the classic view and the building that was wanted, but also it didn't quite work for what we were looking for. So I went up again, and this time I went from Canary Wharf and walked along the north bank of the Thames and got to, and I can't remember the name of it now, but I shall pop it up somewhere. It will pop up. Limehouse Basin, that was it. So I got to Limehouse Basin and I took some shots there, and we finally settled on the view that you see. And this is the resulting painting. My painting panels have finally arrived. They've been a bit delayed, so I'm now opening them and having a look at them for the first time. So I've I've cut all the tape, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, and it's really a two-handed job. I'll roll them. Oh, that's a satisfying sound. Roll them onto there. There we go. Move that across, and there we go. They're fastened together, so I'll just pull that off. And you can see in between two wonderful panels. Pristine. I've got two that end. And there we go. So now I need to cover those with paper and get ready to paint. Can't wait to see how this one's going to turn out. So that was a painting. I hope you enjoyed it. And if there's a place that you'd like to see realised, maybe you've got somewhere in mind that photographs don't quite do it for you and you want something that's a little bit different, I am always up for a challenge, and I'd love to try my hand at some other landmark locations, on maybe putting an interesting perspective on something that's maybe a little bit more mundane, but something that's really special and means a lot to you. So get in touch. My details are in the comments. First comments, and obviously in the details of the video. I am all over the place today. So if you want to get in touch, please do. And I hope you enjoy the video before, and I'm planning to do more of these. Obviously, the more commissions I get, the more I can do commission ones, but I've got other paintings that are in progress that are ready to do. I just need to do these little talky bits and link them together so that it's more than just seeing the process, so you actually understand, because all my paintings have a story behind them, so you really need to know the story to fully appreciate what's going on in them. So I shall be sharing more of those in the future. But thank you for watching this video. I'm Kathy Reed Art, and links are below if you want to find out more about me or see more about commissioning a painting. Do get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. Bye.